Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon, the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Saw what you see with the one saw that always does double duty. Joe SWJ807E Convertible Electric Pole Plus Chainsaw takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees and tough-to-reach branches. Stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust the telescoping pole to gain up to 15 feet of overhead reach. Later, when the limbs are down and there's wood to be cut, the SWJ807E quickly converts to a handheld chainsaw to make light work of loads of logs. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, Joe can handle the most stubborn tree limbs, brush and branches up to 9.5 inches thick. It features a durable 10-inch Joe bar and chain with auto oiler to keep the bar and chain fully lubricated during use. Unlike gas-powered tools, SWJ807E is completely electric, so you'll power up instantly and reliably every time with the push of a button without having to deal with smoke, fumes, fuss with spark plugs, or costly tune-ups. Switch from pole saw to chainsaw in seconds. Joe's innovative quick swap system keeps you cutting when you're in the thick of things. Plus, the SWJ807E comes equipped with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting and a protective sheath for safe blade storage when the day's work is done. And Joe comes with a full 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So let gravity do the work and go with Joe. The SWJ807E 10-inch 8-amp convertible electric pole plus chainsaw from Joe. Get equipped.
Real. Pro. Power. Introducing the Greenworks Pro cordless 18-inch chainsaw, powered by the 80-volt max battery system. Our industry-leading 80-volt battery system delivers unbelievable torque and power to cut through even the toughest jobs, all with zero emissions and none of the hassles of gas. This chainsaw is designed pro tough with a metal wraparound handle, steel bucking spikes, and electronic chain brake to keep you safe. Every Greenworks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance equivalent to a 45cc gas-powered chainsaw. There's no job this saw can't handle. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80-volt power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life. This is Greenworks Pro. Endless power, zero emissions.